Hello viewers, welcome to Auntie Christy Cookie channel. This is a channel for people who want to start eating and taking care of themselves through the food they eat, and for those people who are over 50 years old. Today we are cooking healthy egusi soup. When you are 50 plus, your metabolism is slow to digest certain food as it was when we are young, and as such certain precaution needed when preparing our food. And also make sure you add some exercises to your health. If you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button and the bell button, then you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Like and comment. Today we'll be cooking with beet leaf. Beet leaf can be substituted for ugu. If you live in a country where you don't have ugu, beet leaves have the same as ugu. Let me tell you some components of beet leaf. Rich in vitamin K, copper, magnesium, iron and calcium. Contains zero saturated fat. Reduces the chances of developing cholesterol. Natural multivitamin and mineral resources. And habits. Adding spinach, which is optional. If you have enough beet leaf, you can go for it. So no vegetable that is not good when time to eat. Here we'll be preparing our paste, which consists of red bell pepper, it's already washed, Jamaica pepper, depend how pepperish you want it, and onions, lots of onions. So we're going to be making it a paste by blending it together. Put it in a pot and put on your stove. Eating right is the ultimate. I'm going to be putting vegetable oil so that it doesn't split all over the pot when I'm cooking it, and let it boil for 50 minutes. You can cover it up or you let it open. That's 15 minutes. Now we're going for our ingredient, that's mushroom. That's a parboiled turkey. That's egusi powdered. That's my refrigerated beet leaf and spinach, and that is assorted baked meat. Maggi, seasoning salt, the seasoning though, dash seasoning, that's thyme leaves, salt, extra olive oil, so now we have the paste already boiled, cooked. So we'll be adding our ingredient to it. First we'll be putting the extra virgin olive oil. You can get any type. But let me tell you the benefit of the extra olive oil. It works as anti-inflammatory, boosts hair and skin health, protect us against diabetes, reduce heart problem, reduce blood pressure, improve good cholesterol, and assist in weight loss. So it's not all vegetable there oil you consume. Extra olive vegetable oil is very good. You can get any type, but extra olive oil. Now, this is seasoning. Put some. Dash seasoning. I'm putting more dash seasoning because my salt is going to be less, because when you are age 50 plus, you take less salt. That's time. It's time. And Maggi to taste. Anybody can cook this food. Either you're a man, you're a woman, you're a teenager. Take your head into your hand. Nobody is going to be buried with another person. You are not going to complain. You only have one life to live. It's better you take care of your health. Then we are going to put little salt. Little. You stir together. That's my parboiled turkey. I have to reboil it, wash it. Sometimes you can use stock fish as well. Depends what you like. That's my baked assorted meat. No frying. I have shaki there. I have cow skin. I have everything. Hen. It's not baked. It's not fried. It's baked. No more frying when you are 50 years plus. So I'm going to put some water so that the paste can boil together with the meat. Still need more water. There are some sickness that is preventable. It's better we prevent some sickness than letting it come to our life that is not curable. They say prevention is better than cure. So we'll let it boil for another 15 minutes. This is what we have. Now we're going to put our mushroom. The components of mushroom are as follows. They prevent you from developing serious health problems such as Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, cancer, diabetes. All these sicknesses are what? They are only manageable. They are not curable. So why don't you take care of your life instead of you managing sickness in your body? That's my baked leaf. I have to defrost it 2 hours before cooking. Bringing it out to melt, I don't defrost with microwaves. 2 hours is enough to melt before the time of your cooking. So that's what I did. You stir together. See how it is. Cover it up and leave it for 5 minutes. Come back for it and see. This is what we have. See, boil together with all what you have. There is the ingredients, everything is there. Now we're going to put egusi. Call it powdered egusi. So I'm sprinkling it all over the soup. And when you sprinkle, you don't stir immediately. You leave it to boil for another 5 minutes. Life has no duplicates. Let's take care of ourselves. It's preventable. When we start young and start early, it's preventable. We leave it to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. See, now you stir. If you're a man, don't make excuses of your sickness. Cook for yourself. Take care of yourself. Go to the market and buy all these stuffs and cook it for yourself. Those things you buy in the market, you don't know what they have. You don't even know the type of oil they use. You don't know what they put together. Everybody wants to make profit. Now I'm testing to see if what I have is okay. So I cover it for another 5 minutes to cook, and this is the outcome. This is what you eat with. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and stick for